physics and how they kind of move throughout our body. So let's just start with the very basic, very easy one before I put it into anatomical terms. We're gonna have low pressure system right here. So we got that, and then this one's gonna be our high pressure. See, it's a little bit smaller. All right, so we have our blood in this low pressure system. We got the same amount of blood in this high pressure system. All right, so since we have the same amount of blood, but it's in a higher volume or bigger area, it's gonna have less pressure. And then when we reduce that surface area or kind of that area, that creates a high pressure system. And like most things want to go from high pressure to low pressure. So that's just basics and physics. So now why don't we look at our heart here. If your heart looks like this, it means it sucks, but this is what we're going to use. So let's divide ours up into 4 quadrants. Boom. And our left ventricle. All right. Our aorta. So basically from there, this is gonna have all of our oxygenated blood. And so we wanna get it from here up to here so it can go to the rest of our body. So when it fills up, that space is gonna expand a little bit, but with all that blood in there, that's gonna create a high pressure system. And then when our heart muscle contracts, sucking that in, it's gonna push it all the way up to our aorta, which is gonna have a lot less pressure just because there's a little bit more space in there with a lot less blood. So that's just gonna force that blood up through our aorta, go to the rest of our body, give it to our muscles, and then our muscles give it back to our heart. So just one big cycle, and that's how we move blood around our body.